I'd like to show you quickly how to add titles to your production. And this is the entire final animal extinction video I made. So let me show you the primary two types of styles that you'll do. One is right here where you have title not on top of the video, but it's, if you look right here, there's the title, those two purples, and what they are there, you can pick your color background, but all it is text on a color background, and then you can make it as long or as short as you want. I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. And then the second one is where you actually see here where I have my slideshow and I state it's the problem. But right here you can superimpose a title above a video or an image. And that's the second one that I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do. You can see here we do the same thing for part of the solution. So I'm going to bring you now to, here's my tutorial over here in my library, and I'm going to double click. Where's my project? There it is. I'm working on animation first since that's the only thing we have done. I'm going to show you first, I'm going to bring my playhead over, and I'm going to come over here to where I have titles. That's text. My titles is right here. I'm going to pick, how about simple? I'm just going to go with a basic title, and just so I should, look, there's a huge number of titles that you can go ahead and pick. I am highly recommending only use ones that make your film look very professional. There's a lot in here that will make your film look goofy. So I'm going to go ahead and do this very basic centered one, and all you have to do is go click, hold, drag. I'm going to drop it right here where I want it. Now by default that should be 10 seconds. People get bored after 3 seconds, so I'm going to make it anything under 3 seconds is too fast. Anything over 4, people start getting bored. I usually read the title and then add 2 seconds. So here I'm going to go ahead and give it 4 to 5 seconds. These are all my rules of thumb that work. So how about there, 422. Here's the title. I'm going to come up here. I'm going to call this, how about for mine, salmon. How about the salmon story? That's a good salmon story. I'm not requiring a title lead in. And I'm going to go return, parentheses, a fable. And I'm going to reduce this. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go into my actual tools, and inside of, inside of my tools right here, I'm going to come in here, reduce the font a little bit, and I'm going to pick, I like it, that's fine. And we're good. You can see all these other tools that you have here. We're going to go ahead and move on. I like it, and now I'm going to show you how to do a superimpose. Superimpose, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to grab this one. Let's say I want to put it over right there. So I'm going to zoom, get my playhead, I'm going to line it up, and I'm going to put line up. How about I line up? I'm going to move this title, I'm going to line it up. See there's a black, see that black? I want to make sure I hit it. So I'm going to zoom in. Now I'm going to make sure I get it, and there's the fade open. So I'm going to go right there, and now it's going to snap. There's my title, it snaps to it. I know it's not going to begin till there. Now I'm going to go click, hold, drag, bring this down, because I only want it to be for 3-4 seconds. I'm going to take this and come up here to my title, highlight it, and how about I say story of the fish, or how about salmon. And now I'm going to go ahead, and I like it, and you know what I'm going to do, I'm still in crop mode here. I need to be out of crop mode, and I like it, and let's leave it at that. I'm going to take off. And so now you've seen how to do both. I'm going to reduce the size of this. You've seen how to do both, doing a basic on black. You can select your own color background, or you can do a superimpose. And same thing here. I'm going to take this just while you're here, and I'm going to change the color. and the color is hidden. If I remember right, there's video, transform, spatial, text, title, text, come on, 3D text, show, that's not it. How about I turn it on, show, and it'll be obvious the moment we see it. There it is, color, white. I don't want white, I want yellow. This orange stands out great, yellow stands out great. I'm going to go with orange. The only problem is the background there. How about I go with yellow? How about red? No, how about yellow? It just doesn't look good. So I'm going to take that, and what if, perfect, I'm going to close it, make sure that's highlighted, come up, go click, hold, drag. I'm going to move it up and I'm going to put it right there. No, I'm going to take it and I'm going to move it over there. No, I'm going to take it and I'm going to move it right back there again. So you can move these wherever you want. And stop. Perfect. I like it. And so I have now, here's my beginning one. I changed the size of it. And then this one here, I changed the placement of it. I changed the color on it. And I changed the text size on it.